In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Smartsheet add-in from Microsoft Excel. If you no longer use the Smartsheet connection in Excel, or you just want to clean up your add-ins and remove anything unnecessary, this is a simple process you can do in just a few moments. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Microsoft Excel on your computer. You can open a blank workbook or an existing spreadsheet, since the goal here is simply to access Excel's settings and installed add-ins. Once Excel is fully open, look for the area where you can manage add-ins or open Excel options. The exact location can vary slightly depending on your version of Excel, but in most cases, you'll find it through the File menu and then Options, or somewhere in the Add-in section on the ribbon or Settings panel. Once you're in the right place, take a moment to locate the Smartsheet add-in or connection in the list of installed or active add-ins. This list may include several tools, so read carefully to make sure you select the correct one. If you have multiple business or productivity add-ins installed, it helps to look slowly through the names so you don't accidentally disable the wrong item. When you find the Smartsheet add-in, choose the option to disable it or remove it. The wording may be slightly different depending on your setup. In some versions of Excel, you may uncheck the add-in to turn it off. In others, you may have a remove button. Either option is fine as long as the Smartsheet integration is no longer active in Excel. If Excel asks you to confirm the removal, go ahead and confirm it. This is a normal step and is simply there to make sure you intended to make the change. After that, close Excel completely, then restart Excel so the change can fully take effect. Restarting is important because some add-ins remain visible until the app has been reopened. Once Excel opens again, check the ribbon, add-ins area, or any menu where the Smartsheet option previously appeared. If everything was removed correctly, that option should no longer be visible, and that's it. You've successfully removed the Smartsheet add-in from Microsoft Excel.